Hey Rich, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. I found you guys on a house, and when researching remediation companies in your area, and I hope you don't mind me sending out this video. It's just a few tips that's really going to help you get more leads and more visibility. So here we are on your website. You have a nice logo and a nice looking website. Okay. Looks like you guys do some blogging, so that's good. Um, Content is key. The more content you have on your website, the better. And you need more content than your top competitors. Um, but you don't just want any content. You really have to focus on keywords and your keyword strategy. Um, okay, so as I mentioned, content is key. Google wants to see a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage, focused on those buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be location based, and they're going to be keywords that people are actively searching for in your area for the services that you provide. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the service that they need, and those are the type of terms that they're going to be searching, and that's how you need to build your content. Every single service you provide needs to have their own page, and every service area you have or that you service outside of your local community needs to have their own service area page as well, as long as they have search volume, because that's going to help you to be able to rank in those communities so that you can be found for those services. Google does not rank your website based on appearance. They have robots called crawlers that go and index every single one of these pages, pulling your content and your keywords so they can rank you for those keywords and get you in front of your customers. This is one of your top competitors for mold remediation in Chapel Hill. That they service multiple areas, but this one page is outranking your entire website. Um, let's see, they have they have content. They're going after those buyer intent keywords. They're using the repetition. Um, yeah, it looks like they have more content based around those keywords for this page. They also have a lot of interlinking throughout their website for each of their services, which is important. They have the contact us form, so that's helpful. And as you can see, they have a different page for every service area they're servicing. So that's going to be really, really important. In order to beat these guys, your website needs to have more content and your location pages need to be built. And you need to focus your content around your keywords that people are actively searching. This is a program called Ahrefs that helps us to analyze how your website is performing. As you can see, you have a domain rating of a 2.6 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google does not trust your website at all. And that's 100% because of your backlinks and referring domains. So this is massive overkill. You've got over 74,000 backlinks, yet you have such a low score. Not all backlinks are created equal. What used to work a couple years ago does not work with Google's algorithms anymore. You have to have highly authoritative backlinks, okay? And they have to be do follow backlinks that are relative to your industry. The fact that you have over 74,000 backlinks and this low of a score says that majority of these backlinks are bad backlinks that are either spam, no follow, or completely unrelated to your service industry. So majority of these backlinks need to be disavowed because they're actually hurting you quite a bit. Um, but that being said, you still do need more backlinks than your top competitor, but they need to be the right type of backlinks and they need to be higher quality backlinks than all of your competition in all of your service areas. Because you don't have a whole lot of content, you're only being indexed for 56 pages. I'm sorry, not pages, 56 keywords. So you need to refocus all of your content on your keyword strategy. And despite having 74,000 backlinks and 56 keywords, you're only getting 42 people to your website per month. Part of that is because almost all your backlinks are going to either your blog or your homepage, which doesn't help to get you ranked for your actual services and your service areas. Backlinks should be tied closely to your keywords, and so they need to be on all of your service pages and service areas so you can rank for those. Your website is 70% of where your organic leads come from. So your website does need to be optimized in order to get those leads. You're missing out on thousands of potential leads right now. When we look at your competitor, for this specific location, we're not worried about their domain. We're just worried about this specific page. They only have a rating of a 3. Um, but they've got 35 keywords and they've got 50 people coming to their website. So they have more people coming to just this one page than you have for your entire website. Now, what a backlink is, hold on one moment. I'm sorry about that. So, backlinks is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So, the more relevant the website is to your website, the more authority it's going to give you and the more power it's going to give you. Um, Out of your 73,965 backlinks, only 4,948 of them are of any value to you. Um, the other the other ones are hurting you. So that's quite significant. And then we also want to make sure that the backlinks are do follows and that these are linking not to just your website and brand name, but to the keywords so you can rank for those keywords. And finally, the last thing I want to talk to you about is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for each of your keywords and service areas because 30% of people come directly here and won't go any further. For this specific search term, you are in the top 3, but you want to make sure that you are in the top 3 for all of your service areas. In order to be in the top 3, there's several factors, but the biggest one is citations, which is the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yellow Pages, Dex, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all these tips I've provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for your service area and your services with those keywords. Now, we are SEO experts, so if you do actually want help getting some of this stuff done and you don't want to have to worry about it, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.